Okay, let's hear what Maxwell Okpara, Nnamdi lawyer, has got to say.
At the Heathrow Airport here, London, waiting to connect my flight to Mexico for International Bar Conference of the Nigerian Bar Association. I was very lucky to escape from being arrested by the DSSS of Nigeria at Azikiwe International Airport, Nigeria, because what is running in Nigeria now is that any activist or any opposition who is criticizing the government of Nigeria, they will wait for you at the airport, especially when you are invited or you are going for international conference. They will pick you up there just like they did to Agiro. But I was lucky, I was not picked. I just arrived at Heathrow Airport now, waiting to connect my flight to Mexico, where we are going to discuss issue of democracy. And I will use that opportunity to expose to what is going on in Nigeria, the impunity that is going on in Nigeria, the undemocratic government that is going on in Nigeria, the intimidation that is going on in Nigeria. Above all, the kind of persecution Nnamdi, the leader of IPOB, is passing in Nigeria. I'm going to explain all these things to the world. The conference is taking off tomorrow with an opening ceremony. Then by Monday, other programs will flow. Your own Maxwell Okpara, I belong to the Human Rights Committee of Nigeria, of the International Bar Association, and I have a paper to present there by Tuesday. See you then. I'll keep you posted. Thank you.
Maxwell Okpara, Nnamdikanu lawyer, you know, it's fortunate for him that he was able to escape from Nigerian DSS arrest, whether we call it arrest or kidnapping or whatsoever, but he managed to escape. According to him, he's about to travel to Mexico he will make transit from UK to Mexico, but they have to travel from there to UK first. Then I don't know whether DSS got information of his traveling or whatever, how he managed to leak out ahead before they trace him, want to apprehend him. He managed to escape. You know, the case of Nnamdi have taught everybody lesson. Mostly, if you're a human rights activist or people who oppose the government of Nigeria, get ready for anything at any time. You see, and if you see, this Maxwell Okpara is one of the strong people, solicitor or lawyers for Nnamdi. Last time we saw the video, he went to his village and met and posted to show how sit at home and Biafra agitators, how powerful they are in East. A whole divisional police station, close up, Nigerian something, close up, with cover everywhere. Even the road they tie, with to cover it. At Nigeria customary court and the police station, divisional headquarters also, everywhere were covered with bush cover it. Even though the road they tied, bush have grown on the road, cover everywhere. Even though if you're a stranger, you will not know that there's a building over there in those areas. So all this thing is part of things that will make government to get angry or to be not to feeling fine concerning him because he's trying to expose everything for the whole world to see. And as he was, according to what he posed, he managed to escape being arrested or being apprehended in Dr. Nnamdi Azikiwe International Airport, Abuja. And you see, he want to travel. There's no international airport in East for him to travel. He have to move to Abuja or come to Lagos. You see the marginalization. You see the Nepotism that's going on in Nigeria. A whole Biafra land, southeast. No international airport that you can take place with that fly. Port Harcourt International Airport is almost dead. Have you ever heard the Port Harcourt International Airport? The Port Harcourt International Airport have been existing before Mohammed International Airport. Mohammed International Airport was built after the war. When Gowon planned it, the one planned it, and it was overthrown, and it was built by Obasanjo when he was military head of state. The Port Harcourt Airport, international airport, had been existing as international airport before the Biafran war. But now it's just like a dead airport. Nobody said about it. International flight cannot come in. International flight cannot take off from there. In the whole south, the international airport, this so-called senior president now built in Akwa Ibom. Just like that, a name, but it's not functioning. Even that international airport in Akwa Ibom, Akwa build, I think was the only airport in Nigeria that I have hang where you can service plane. But is it functioning? Because it's part of Biafra. If it's functioning, Igbo people, Biafrans will import the goods and be using it. Lagos and Abuja will not boom again. Look at it. And this man traveled to Abuja. Although he may have house in Abuja, he may travel to take Abuja airport, and they want to apprehend him. Last time they caught Willie, former governor of Anambra State, Ikwikwikwi Obialo, in Lagos International Airport, Murtala Mohammed. He left Anambra, and he said he built airport in Anambra. He cannot enter Anambra Airport. From there, he came to Lagos before they caught him. This is to show you marginalization, that marginalizing Biafrans, nepotism, tribalism, everything against Biafrans. But tomorrow they will say, they are the problem of Nigeria. They are the one stealing. They are the one killing. They are the one causing tribal war. They are generating tribal war. When they are the people at receiving end. Look at it. Had he been God is not on the side of Maswell Okpara, that conference want to go, he could not have done it. But God made him to escape and landed in a UK airport. I think Heathrow Airport. It was there that he made the comment he made. It was there that he made the post telling the ordained he passed in Nigeria before reaching UK. And as he said, it's reality. Anybody that oppose Nigerian government, anybody that is telling them truth, that person will be on their target list. And their fear to make them to try to get him, they may feel that as he know much about Nnamdi case, and it's a human right, he know much about the government illegal activity, he know that Nigeria is not practicing democracy. Then they fear that is as this going to this international bus association in Mexico, he may expose Nigerian government. He may open mouth and tell Nigerian government tell the world what is going on in Nigeria, which is what they have said that he will do. Then they suspect him that he will do so. So they want to apprehend him. They may not apprehend him and charge him. If they caught him, they may put him house arrest or hold him tight wherever they are until after the end of that conference. After the end of that conference, maybe 1 week after the conference, they will release him. Because their target was for him not to go there and expose them. So this is what happened in Nigeria. The only thing that remains for the Nigerian government is to shut off cyber so that you cannot receive information from Nigeria, and you cannot send out. That's the only thing that remains. Nigeria is underground, silently persecuting and silencing every freedom fighter. Look at Shewere. I heard that this morning also, they apprehend Shewere and later release him. Why they would release him? Had he been Shewere come from southeast, you can remain in detention. They release him because na pali na Jojo, they follow it.
But do you not think the Biafrans and the they'll be agree with this, because Sowore in the time past have also been arrested before, and some people feel that he committed the same crime that Nnamdi Kanu committed, same as Mitiala, Badejo, and these people are working freely now in Nigeria. Do you not think if Sowore were to be an Igbo, just like you said, do you think they would have let him go off the hook today? Because they were arrested today and freed, and free today.
If Sowore came from Southeast, at least he will spend 1 week to 1 month before they arrest him. If they may see him, if they at least 1 week to 1 month before they will leave him. And by that 1 week to 1 month, he have passed through the eyes of needle. He have passed through the eyes of needle. Okay, look at the son Igboho. Is it not the same declaration of Oduduwa. As Nnamdi Kanu is fighting for restoration of Biafra. Did not he do so? But where is he now? Is he not free? Every charge against him, for the interest of justice, they drop it. Why can't they, for the interest of justice, to use Nnamdi Kanu? And I am telling you, this Maswa Lakpara, had he been they caught him, that one will maybe the last time he will represent Nnamdi Kanu. They will put him and lay charges against him and delay him. And if they caught him, they could have delayed him not to appear in this coming case. What hearing of Nnamdi Kanu on 28th of this month. They may delay him not to appear. Because they know that that man, with a lawyer Jumato and other people like him, Nigeria government have found it difficult in Nnamdi Kanu case. Definitely difficult. If Master Lakpa is like Ifeanyi Oba, nothing will happen. He will go free and come back free. Because they will give him transport allowance to go there and come. They will do much to give him presidential jet to carry him go and carry him come, because he will go there and represent Nigeria well. Had he been this Ifeanyi Oba, but this is Master Lakpara. And to watch it, all those people that answer Akpara from Biafra land, they always be tough to the government of Nigeria.
Oh, you're also Akpara too?
I'm Akpara, but my own Akpara is not like that own Akpara. Although in future time, my own Akpara will be like that, because I absolutely the new Okokon there. I'm just beginning.
So, but do you not think if Max Okpara come back to the country, and as he just like he has said that he wants to expose a lot of things in that conference that's going to Mexico, do you think they will not arrest him when he comes? Just like Sowore, do you think they will not arrest him if he reveals or says things that he should not supposed to be saying, or if he exposes some things that he's not supposed to have said? Do you think when he come back, do you think they will put him behind bars?
You see one thing. It depends, as you said, it depends on the exposure he made. And being Omuibo, Nyamri, it may not all go well. But what he have said in Heathrow Airport, as he exposed what ordeal he passed through, this may cause International Lawyers Association to monitor his case, to focus on him when he return back. It will make the whole world now to start following him up on his returning. Even it have made him to become a global scene or global issue between him and Nigeria. Now they focus eye on him. The whole world now, international community, both Bars Association, will focus on him now to know what will happen, to know the action Nigeria will take against him. So it's focused now. But you see what they have made now, what he said now have helped him again for protection, because now Nigeria know that all eye will be on him. So they may try to, if they will arrest him, it may be ordinary questioning, or they may withdraw completely, not to arrest him at all. And if you watch what he said, that he will expose the ordeal or the sufferness of Nnamdi Kanu in the hand of Nigerian government. Recently, I've been hearing it, seen it in post, that Nnamdi Kanu is critically ill, and they did not allow him to take any treatment. You see? And Nnamdi Kanu ordeal, I'm not blaming government of Nigeria. I am blaming the people from East, people from Biafra land. Those Eflefu people betrayed Nnamdi Kanu. Secondly, blaming international community. International community propose sanction on Nigeria. No going in, no coming out, no communication with anybody. Sanction on the oil and gas. Because how can we be a signatory in a United Nations and you break the signatory, kidnap Nnamdi Kanu, and Nnamdi Kanu is a United Nations child. Agitation. United Nations approved it before Nnamdi Kanu started it. Nnamdi Kanu was registered. Agitation of Biafra, IPOB was registered. It's registered in United Nations. They know about it. Why can't they other America or anybody, any nation to face Nigeria. If it's another nation that did this thing, I'm telling you, America could have, and the United Nations, including NATO, could have sanctioned that nation. They could have sanctioned that nation. But still, mostly Europe, they are playing Yankee Panky because they want the oil of Biafra, oil and gas of Biafra, to lay pipe from Creek to Morocco to be supplying them gas. This is what they're doing like this. The contract is on now. This is why they're doing like this. They always focus where they will eat and get satisfied. This is why judgment is filed on the case of Biafra. And to watch, anytime Biafra issue rise up, the United Nations, international community will try to play the case as if they are not serious. But thank God this time around, America have rise up. Thank God this time around, Finland is involved. I don't see why Nigeria could have done that act. Even AU called Nigeria when someone sued them. They said no. What AU can do is sanction Nigeria, remove him from AU. As far as he failed to respond to AU, which means Nigeria is not an AU member again. It's not African Union member again. That's what it is. They could cut him off, sanction him, sanction Nigeria. United could have sanctioned Nigeria. Commonwealth could have sanctioned Nigeria on this act. Buhari have done his own and go and get free with it. Go freely. Now Tinubu have started his own because it's Biafra, because it's an Igbo people. Eh? Look at what is the name of this lady now? I have forgot it now. No, the lady they are persecuting, that is Amaka Sombega. Look at Amaka. If not that someone ekpa and the IPO the federal government in exile, autopilot, had you been not wrongly in that case, it could be a different case. But people accept be saying it, criticizing Igbo, kill Igbo must go, Igbo must do this. Before Amaka respond to them, it's Amaka respond to them. If not that intervention of the federal government in exile, Amaka, they could kidnap him by now. They could have kidnapped her by now and return it back to Nigeria. Even it was Igbo people in the house sponsored the bill to take Canadian government to arrest him. Igbo people in the house. Look at them. Look at those enslaved people. But Igbo must go. They didn't talk anything. Kill Igbo man, take their shop. They didn't say anything. Honest Igbo did not say anything. But immediately Amaka respond. Honest Igbo and the people in the house, Igbos in the house, sponsored the bill to write to the Canadian government to bring Amaka back. This is how Nnamdikanu stayed there. This is what part of it that made Nnamdikanu to be continued suffering. Let the international community come in, sanction Nigeria fully. When international community sanction Abiola, sanction Abacha, is it not the same detention he detained Abiola that made international community to sanction him? Why can't they sanction government of Nigeria now? Is it not the same right of Abiola defending that Nnamdi is defending his own right for protecting his people? Is it not why they sanction Abacha? Abacha nearly died in Nigeria when you have kidney problem. If not that, he equipped Asura Clinic. So in Asura Clinic they kill Abacha. They cure Abacha. It's a kidney problem. Abacha did not travel. For good 5 years Abacha rule, Abacha only managed to travel to Senegal when they are doing inauguration of their president. That's the only travel Abacha did. For good 5 years, they put sanction on him. Why can't they do it now? Is it not the same crime they say Abacha committed? It's not the same crime the government of Nigeria is committing now by detaining a righteous man, detaining a man who is standing for the truth. Thank God they did not get a Maxwell. If they get Maxwell, maybe that's how Maxwell will languish in detention, so they cannot be able to defend him. Thank God they did not get him. But let us see he returning. What will he do? Let us see return. What will he do?
We don't want inferior. We don't want virus. We don't want brutality. We don't want injustice. We want justice. And justice must took his place. That's why we are inviting the international community, especially the BBC and the CNN. Let them set their satellite everywhere. Any ringing, we don't need it. God will bless you. I want CNN and BBC, the international community. Let them focus on now. Let them focus on Nigeria, especially on the election that is coming on Saturday, because we are not going to allow them to intimidate us anymore. We are tired of their intimidation. See, now we have a choice. You have a choice of your own. And now what PDP is the choice of Edo people. Majority of Edo people don't even want another party, especially this APC. The central party of power. See how Nigeria is feeling. See, they finish, they stabilize Nigeria. See, Nigeria is walking on the street. Many are falling down. You can't go to your work. You will not trek. See, no motor, no food, no work, nothing. See, APC government have come and they have now let us know that they are more than demons. See, that type of a system, we don't want them in my state. We want a peaceful demonstration of a government that will be experiencing under Azikiwe. We don't want inferior. We don't want virus. We don't want brutality. We don't want injustice. We want justice. And justice must take its place. That's why we are inviting the international community, especially the BBC and the CNN. Let them set their satellite everywhere. Any ringing, we don't need it. We want a peaceful atmosphere, and we are going to win. We are Edo State. We have our choice, and our choice is what we know. PDP. APC in the central, see what they do to Nigeria. See, Nigeria is tired of the movement of their language. Their body language is zero. The scam, the brainwash, hope, renew hope, all in the name of grabbing power. At the end of the day, what have you done? See how Nigeria is going up around, roaming around from morning to night. Nowhere to be going. Don't know where to be going. Because of what? Because the party on ground in brainwash many people, including me that is standing here. I believe that they are there, and I believe there's commonality. And I say I was clapping hand for this. Now anyhow, now we.
Last year,
okay, see what happened now. Everybody's regretting. Why? Because punishment don't come. Punisher. They punish us. They punish Nigeria. They punish the generality of Nigeria. 200-something million Nigeria is not punished under this government. APC, All Progressive Congress. What's the meaning? Now we now know that they are a the bar society. So that kind of situation, we don't allow them in my state. It can never happen in my state. My state is not for APC. My state is not for virus. My state is for the people. It's democracy. For the people, and for the people, and for the people. Now, we are who we are. We are Edo State. Nobody can install anybody.
The heartbeat of the nation.
The heartbeat of the nation. Without the beating of the heart, the nation fell down. We don't want anybody apart from who we want. PDP. You see, PDP is coming generation of Nigeria. PDP will come again. That's so rock. They go occupy because those who are there, they are scammer, the brainwasher, the 419s, the mafians. So we don't need those type of group of people because they don't care about you and I. They don't care about us.
But
whether you buy one cup of Gary 100 million, they don't care. Whether you live, they don't care. Their own is to pack the money and swallow and carry and go to buy. Build the houses there. So those people are not wanted in my state.
But look, I've seen the police arresting PDP.
See, the police, what are they supposed to do? They leave the real work, they now face his shadow. Arrest the whole state now. Pack on the whole state, carry them go Abuja. Then a spirit will not vote for you. A tegun will not vote for the air. You see, they failed the test, they failed it woefully.
They are clamping down on the power of PDP.
They're wrong. So the deal has been done, but they are wrong. The policy brought them down. It brought it down. The policy is negative. How will not brought it down? So what they use by force is not possible. It's not possible to rule that place by force. Oshemola and Co, their days are gone. The time for everything. The time for bed, the time for that, the time for everything. The time of Oshemola, everybody was happy. But now, you now join the carols of the mafians. See, want to involve us with that language of that mafians? No. We want generality of the people to be happy. Let's share the equal right of justice. Let everybody take his own according to his giving. Not that you will not, one person will not collect something that belongs to 70,000 people, put up for your pocket. You say, even by force, one room. It's not possible. The marriage is not like that.
Not like that.
It's not like that. We are a peaceful country. We are a peaceful state. We are the heartbeat of the nation. And we know our rights. We don't give a damn to any intimidation. We will face them with the laws. So what they are doing now, and they even know the truth, but they are trying to hide it. Why don't you make Nigeria a safe house? Make Nigeria eat. Make Nigeria live. We know that things are hard, but Nigeria is harder and harder and harder and wickedly harder. So we are tired of them. So they have no room in my home. They have no room. They have no space. There is no space there. There's no space for them. You know, everybody know. The international community, they are watching over us. They are watching the film, and the film is a real film, and we are not going to allow the wrong hope to rule us. We are tired of them. The kid know them. Talk less for you and I that is adult. So why will we allow it? They have no room in my state. No matter the intimidation. Come Saturday, you will see the answer and you will see the result perfectly.
Olua, from what you can see now, do you not think, you know, if the APC-led government forces themselves or, you know, rig this election, do you not think this will cause serious conflict, serious problem?
In Abia State. You see what happened in Abia State? The boys, the guys, the men, the women, everybody starts shit, Monday to night. Said, no, this justice must be done. This justice must be done, and it will be done. It must be done. When you are tired, you are tired. Now is the last fight, the last battle. You make sure you grab your last battle with your last blood. We are not going to allow them anymore. See, Abia State is an example. Before you know, now we will go to Edo State. You see, if you let me carry 700,000 police come there, their will is their will, not your will. You can't force them to drink water when they don't like to drink. You understand me? So, come Saturday, PDP won.